To make the feet for the dog, you're going to grab your brown yarn and your 4mm crochet hook, create a slip knot, insert your hook, and make a magic ring. Once you've made your magic ring, you're going to place 6 single crochets in the middle for row 1. Make sure you pull that tail tight. Now for row 2, we are going to increase in every stitch, so you'll have 12 stitches at the end of this row. And now for your final row, you're going to single crochet in every stitch around, so that'll be 12 stitches in row 3. Now that we've finished row 3, we are just going to pull out a long tail for sewing. And we're going to snip off a little bit of excess here. You're going to grab your embroidery needle and you're going to weave in and out of every stitch all the way around. Now once we've done that, we are just going to pop a tiny bit of stuffing right into the center, just so that the feet don't collapse. And then you're just going to pull on this string, and that should cinch the foot closed. And you're just going to grab your scissors and snip off any stuffing you can see at the top. And now you'll just take your embroidery needle and stitch across the top a few times until you feel like it's secure. Now don't cut off the tail because you're going to use that to sew onto the dog's body, but this is what your foot should look like.